Helicopter. You don't get any helicopters around where I live.
I wish I had a... Careful.
28. Slidey thing there.
There's a helicopter guy. Say hi, Tom. You're on Jan's camera.
I love there was actually someone like... Oh no, I've got something in my eye. Oh.
There it is.
You've got it.
It might have been that. Lizzie.
Where's the brother or whatever it is?
Oh, he's coming.
Right.
He won't be too happy. I think he was sleeping.
That was me on my.
So who actually lives
Oh,
there?
that was Tom's umpire.
Hello, mate. Yeah, we've got a call. Basically, somebody climbing on the roof. Thought the place was being burgled.
No, it's out the window.
None of us.
On the road, he leapt over this fence, though, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
Who was that?
Where's me?
Why didn't you come through the gate?
Hun?
Why didn't you come through the gate?
No, I slipped through that way. I didn't want to open the gate in case he was.
Mate, can I come in a second?
I wonder if police officers know what LOL means.
Yeah, we're going now.
Just hang on for 2 minutes and then we'll let you go, yeah?
Okay.
Full bit of excitement.
Guys, like, did you get on camera? I was waiting for a helicopter. No helicopter?
Go on helicopter, right?
I think this house has been burgled.
They're sending the helicopter.
You know, someone called us and say 2 men have been seen jumping over a fence.
Maybe they got it a bit wrong. Maybe they thought it was that.
Lizzie, they're calling you a male.
I'm very sorry.
Oh dear.
Pardon?
Please parents sign there, so have you lot.
Done?
Just come with me, sweetheart.
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 Do you think he'd stay here into the back and do some questioning? Maybe the rest of the hurry up, because they want to go. Oh guys, I'm on 2 minutes 15, bring it on. Yeah. This is the longest video I think I've made. I'm sorry, this isn't even like some massive rave party taking drugs and stuff, and then we've got police.
So weird.
That's like 5 o'clock. Yeah. I think this. Jack, remember guys?
They were so much more horrible. They were like,
what are we gonna do? There's one in the helicopter. Basically, if anyone asks, you're trying to calm your Viagra down, okay?
Really?
That way the police don't have to look at you.
I'm gonna go lay down.
Remain calm. Right.
Mucking about. They came off just. Yeah. What was that?
Oh yeah, Tom, come on, let's see these bite marks. There's bite marks. You were sexually harassed. Oh, Lily. Who was that by? Lily.
They're bites.
what happened at the house?
Lily Bridger sexually harassed him.
Yeah. She bit me to pieces.
Was that love bite?
Yeah.
They were having penetrative sex.
No, we were.
I'm really hyperactive.
Are we cold?
You're cold. I want to go.
How is the brother?
Like 18.
Is he overaging?
No, he's
Huh?
like 21.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank God.
I was going to say, but I saw he takes like loads of drugs.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, there you go. I thought he'd come down the stone like, what's up? Oh, yeah.
He's a weed.
Same.
I was having a fancy about the wheel.
He went home.
They call him Lizzie, 2 males.
Oh god, they're writing down details.
What do you think they're doing?
Details, Lizzie is 2 males. But yeah, they're gonna actually guys. No, it doesn't matter if you can press, but I'm saying if they're that desperate to send a helicopter, I think they'd breathalyze us.
180.
They send a fucking helicopter.
Why are you carrying your camera?